Okay, this is the sound through the soundbar. I'm going to turn the soundbar down. Now I'm going to turn the TV volume up. No problem with the sound through the television. Again, I'll go back, turn TV volume down, turn soundbar volume up.